Hello friends, I am Dr. Sandeep Raj Bharma, consultant pulmonologist and sleep medicine specialist at Care Hospitals Nampally. Today we will be discussing about a very common disease called sleep apnea. So when we sleep, generally the normal timings are 6 to 8 hours. That's a normal time what we sleep. And when we look at it, almost in a day we sleep for 1/3 of the day, that is 1/3 of the life. And it is very important that if you sleep, otherwise your day-to-day activities get affected. So in sleep apnea, what happens is in the night time sleep gets affected. If you are having snoring, if you are having choking in the night, if you are having difficulty in getting sleep, if you are having frequent nocturia, that is going to the toilet frequently, and once you are getting in the morning, if you are having daytime early morning headaches, if you feel unrefreshed sleep, if your morning any tiredness is there, excessive daytime sleepiness is there, then probably you might be having this particular disease. Usually we are not aware of this disease. Usually our bed partner or our parents or our brothers and sisters who are with us notice that we are snoring a lot. They say that we are choking also in the night time, which we won't be aware. So it's very important that if you're having general tiredness or these kind of symptoms, you ask your parents or your family members. And if you have in this disease, you need to consult it. Probably you will be having this particular disease called obstructive sleep apnea. So why is it so important? So if in obstructive sleep apnea, what happens is when you're sleeping, our body relaxes. In these kind of patients, our body's airways, which are made of muscles, also relaxes a little bit more, and this causes low oxygen in the body, and this affects our bodily organs. So this is obstructive sleep apnea, and when this happens, low oxygenation for very longer times, very frequently, it causes multiple metabolic issues, metabolic problems or medical problems. Example, hypertension you can develop, diabetes you can develop, these patients having heart attacks, cardiovascular episodes or strokes are very high. So it's very important to identify this disease. If you're having any symptoms, you need to get yourself evaluated with a pulmonologist. So when you have this disease diagnosed like obstructive sleep apnea, the treatments are very simple. Medical treatment, what we generally give is a device called positive airway pressure. It can be CPAP or a BiPAP, and also we suggest for a couple of other things which patient can follow. So if the patient is on the obese side, we ask them to lose their weight. The weight loss is very important in this kind of disease. Second thing is you need to maintain your regular sleep timings. Generally recommended timings are 7 to 8 hours. So you maintain a regular timing when you're going to the sleep and when you're getting up. Third thing is when you're having dinner and when you're having sleep, maintain a gap of at least 2 to 3 hours time. The fourth thing is if you're having a habit of taking alcohol or smoking, that is a big no in this kind of disease, which it will exaggerate or it will increase your disease process. So these are the simple things what we ask the patient to do it to reduce the disease per se, as apart from taking medical aspects. Thank you so much.